Introduction. Welcome to today's session on creating your first marketing plan, a step-by-step guide. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a marketing enthusiast, or someone looking to refine their business strategy, this session will equip you with the foundational knowledge to craft an effective marketing plan. Understanding the importance of a marketing plan. A marketing plan is more than just a document. It's a roadmap that outlines your business's marketing objectives and the strategies to achieve them. It ensures that your marketing efforts are aligned with your business goals, helping you allocate resources efficiently and measure success effectively. Conducting a situational analysis. Before setting goals, it's crucial to understand your current position in the market. This involves SWOT analysis, identifying your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Market research, understanding market trends, customer behaviors, and potential gaps. Competitor analysis, evaluating your competitors' strengths and weaknesses to identify areas where you can differentiate. Number 3, defining your target audience. Knowing your audience is pivotal. Create detailed buyer personas by considering demographics, age, gender, income level, education, psychographics, interests, values, lifestyle, behavioral traits, purchasing habits, brand interactions. This clarity ensures your marketing messages resonate effectively. 4, setting smart marketing goals. Establish goals that are specific, clearly define what you aim to achieve, measurable, ensure you can track progress, achievable, set realistic targets. So relevant, align with broader business objectives. Time-bound, set deadlines to maintain momentum. Crafting your unique value proposition. Your unique value proposition, UVP, articulates why customers should choose your product or service over competitors. It should highlight the unique benefits and value you offer, addressing your audience's specific needs and pain points. Developing marketing strategies and tactics. With your goals and audience in mind, outline the strategies and tactics you'll employ. Content marketing, blogs, videos, and infographics to educate and engage. Social media marketing, platforms to connect and interact with your audience. Email marketing, personalized communication to nurture leads. SEO and SEM, enhancing visibility on search engines. Events and webinars, direct engagement opportunities. Choose tactics that align with your audience's preferences and your business objectives. 7, budgeting and resource allocation. Determine your marketing budget by assessing costs, advertising, tools, personnel, content creation, allocating resources, prioritize based on expected ROI. Monitoring spend. Regularly review to ensure efficiency and adjust as needed. 8, establishing metrics and KPIs. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure success. Website traffic, monitor visitor numbers and behavior. Conversion rates, track how many visitors take desired actions. Customer acquisition cost, CAC, understand the cost to acquire a new customer. Return on marketing investment, ROMI, evaluate the profitability of your marketing efforts. 9, implementation and monitoring. Execution is key. Implement your plan by creating a timeline, schedule activities and campaigns, assigning responsibilities, ensure team members know their roles, monitoring progress, use analytics tools to track performance, adjusting strategies, be flexible, and make data-driven changes as needed. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've now walked through the essential steps to create your first marketing plan. Remember, a marketing plan is a dynamic document. Regularly revisit and revise it to adapt to market changes and business growth. Let's now open the floor to any questions you might have.